Get that check right. She fucked me, she said, damn boy, your sex right. Cashing it out, making sure.
Okay, so today's prom day, and I have to go get my hair, makeup done, and it's 8:42. I have to go get it like at 10 because I have to be over there at like 4. And it's not my prom, so yeah. And then I look probably hella ugly because I don't have mascara on and I only wear mascara and lip gloss. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated, and I'm gonna get my makeup done after. Almost done. So I finally finished with my hair and my makeup is done. I love it. So guys, I'm dressed. Dressed. Simple, classy dress, you know. So we're on our way. Oh, my mom is taking me to my cousin's house where we're gonna meet up. You know, wearing the dress and everything. Yeah, I got it dirty, but you know, came in clutch. She fixed it. But yeah, I'm gonna vlog when I get there. Hey guys, I totally forgot to vlog when we were taking pictures. It's my cousin. We're on the bus to the city right now because the prom is on the boat, and there's a lot of people. And yeah, there's like nothing much to say. He's single. Hit him up. You know, I'm gonna put his Instagram like right here. And
like right there?
No, like right here or right here. And yeah, like I totally forgot to vlog. Like, I'm horrible at vlogging. I can't vlog, so it's not my thing. And yeah, that's basically it. Like we're in somewhere on our way over there. Okay, so guys, like I got my makeup done, and out of nowhere I got this pimple, and that's so bad. And like I'm breaking out on this side too. Horrible. This stress is killing me. And then look at my cousin's skin, clear as fuck. Like no stress. I see what no having a female is like because no stress. Nothing. And he got that fresh cut, like, okay, hello, what, okay, okay, hello, like, to the side, totally forgot to vlog because I'm not good at this. But we're here on the boat and everything, like here, and everybody over there. We were just taking pictures, but none of my pictures, I didn't like any of my pictures. So no pictures probably. So we're gonna go sit down right now. I didn't think I was gonna do this, but I took off my fucking shoes. So bad. And everybody's dancing over there. Oh my god. Okay guys, this is Julie. Hey! We're gonna go because there's 2 DJs, so we're gonna go upstairs and see like guys, I'm so tired, like, oh my god, I want to go home, take all this makeup off, They're all dancing. There's two DJs. There's one on top and one in the bottom. I've been at the one at top, but since our table's downstairs, I've been coming downstairs. And I don't know where my cousin's at. Prom just ended. I'm tired. Right now, we're in walking the Embarcadero, looking for our bus to go home. Never mind, we found it. Ow! And I don't know, are we gonna go to an after party?
No, let's see.
So I don't know what we're gonna do. I just want to go home, take off all this makeup, and go to sleep.
Well, baby, you go bananas. You the type of bitch a nigga take to his nana.